When you're feeling unwell with a cold or flu, there are several ways to alleviate your symptoms and make recovery more comfortable. Staying hydrated is crucial, so aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water or healthy fluids daily, and consider warm beverages like herbal tea or soup to soothe symptoms. Using a humidifier can help moisten dry air, easing congestion, and washing your face with cold water can refresh your appearance. For nasal congestion, proper blowing techniques and saline solutions can provide relief. Soothe a sore throat with warm saltwater gargles, throat sprays or lozenges, and consider using a neti pot for nasal irrigation. Over-the-counter medications can help ease aches and pains, and an Epsom salt bath can be soothing. While most common illnesses don't require a doctor's visit, seek medical advice if symptoms persist or worsen. Make your recovery a priority by resting in a comfortable space and keeping essentials nearby. Remember to avoid smoking and consider taking a warm shower or bath for added comfort.